everyone, welcome back to Judy Africana TV. How are you all doing? So this video is all about tandoori chicken, one chicken recipe that I absolutely love. Here are the ingredients. I've got my chicken. I've made some cuts on the chicken, and of course I'm going to have mine with the skin on. You can choose not to have the skin on your chicken. That's absolutely fine. Of course I've got my very hot spicy pepper blended. I've got my tandoori powder, and I bought that from Tesco. I've got my yogurt. That's about 2 full tablespoons of yogurt, plain yogurt. Of course that's 0% fat, but I think you can use any plain yogurt of your choice. And then I've got all the spices, the spices of seasonings. Seasonings, I don't know, I always interchange them. I don't know why. But I've got the smoked paprika, hot paprika, and I've got the salt. I've got turmeric and aromat powder for the seasonings, and of course I've also got the oil. Okay, you need a bit of oil as well. So it's a very easy recipe to make. I had to learn it because I love tandoori chicken. I mean, the roasted flavor is so good. So let's get started. First, you need to put your chicken in. Like I said, I'm having mine with the skin on. Usually, from all the videos I watched about tandoori chicken, they usually have it without the skin. But hey, I love my chicken with the skin on. So I'm just gonna add the yogurt. Basically, just add all the spices and seasoning and your oil, and just mix. It's as easy as that. Just mix everything in and then rub together with your hands or your spatula, whichever one you feel comfortable doing. I actually started rubbing in with spatula, and then I ended up with rubbing it more with my hands. Okay, so it's always best to marinate your tandoori chicken for as long as possible. So when I made this, I actually marinated it overnight. I left it in the fridge overnight because this is a recipe that is so different from just normal baking your chicken. So yeah, it's the chicken is marinated now, and it's so good. I'm just gonna cover that straight into the fridge. See you tomorrow. Oh my goodness. Okay, so next day I brought it out from the fridge about an hour before I got to pop it in the oven. And of course I didn't remember to add my lemon yesterday, so I've got one lemon squeezed out in that little bowl. And then the first thing I did was to use oil to rub the rack. Oh my goodness, shooting video is not easy. So yeah, and then I just enriched the chicken, and yeah, straight into the oven. So I didn't cover the chicken because tandoori tends to have this a bit of a dry consistency, and I really wanted that as much as possible. And of course I did make sure it was on low heat so that it can cook thoroughly. And in between, bring it out, change it over, brush it with some oil and lemon and all of that. So yeah, I'm just gonna allow you to watch. Okay, so after like an hour, this is exactly what the chicken looks like. It's so cooked now. So what I did was to flip it and give it one last coating with the lemon and lemon mixture that I did. And this time around I changed the setting of the oven to the grill setting and popped it back in for about 10 minutes to give it that roasted look and flavor, and it was ready. Okay, so I left it in the oven to grill for 10 minutes and brought it out, and this was the look of it. Absolutely beautiful, and to be honest, so tasty. It was tandoori chicken. It was not anything else. Trust me, I know the taste of good tandoori chicken because I always order for tandoori chicken whenever we eat out, in Indian restaurants. And yeah, I was not disappointed at all. I felt really comfortable sharing the video because I know like it's so easy to make and it's super delicious too. Just add your tomato and your onion and you're good to go. Alright, thank you so much for watching this video. If you love what I'm doing on my channel, please subscribe to my channel and look forward to the next video. Bye.